What's it going to take to get renewed interest in the mining sector? Joining me on the sidelines of the Precious Metals Summit now is Derek Macpherson, VP of Mining Analysis over at Cloud Klondike Strike. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me on.
Yeah, so what's your take right now? What's the sentiment like here at the conference and in the industry?
Well, I think the industry in general, especially this summer, was pretty bearish. I don't think it was quite like 2015, but it felt like we were getting close to that level of bearishness. One of the things that we watch, it's not a definitive point on cycle turning, but one of the things that we watch is the gold-silver ratio. And what we've seen recently is the gold-silver ratio has actually peaked.
Yes.
And the last time it peaked, we actually had a pretty good run at the beginning of 2016 at these levels. So if I could tell you when, I probably wouldn't be sitting here talking to you. But it looks like that we're at that we're getting close to that peak bearishness level.
In terms of the junior mining space, obviously this is a show focused on the juniors. Do you think that we're going to see a lot of takeout soon, or?
Well, I think what gets people interested in the space, which is a little bit into your first question, is greed, right? And greed comes from big share price performance when you have exploration holes and when stocks get taken out. And that's what gets people excited about junior mining. People don't invest in junior mining to make 100% of their money. They make it they do it for the opportunity to make 1,000.
Besides the gold price right now, what do you think are some of the biggest challenges that the juniors are facing?
Well, I think what allows juniors to add value and create that return and make majors want to take them out is capital and the ability to go and explore and drill. And I think what we're seeing is that there's a lack of capital for earlier stage exploration, and that is the biggest challenge.
So do we really need a rally here? It wouldn't hurt, but do you really need it?
I think it's interesting. We're starting to see signs of life. So I think we're going to start to see that. This month already, we've seen three or four companies come out with good exploration news, and then the stocks be rewarded for that and have 50 to 100% returns. You look at something like RNC Minerals; it's up 500% this month. Right. GT Gold had great results, and Great Bear, a similar idea, which is a good. I think is the start of a rally because the market's starting to care again about that success. It goes back to the factor about greed, and so people are making money, and so now there's more reason to invest, and we'll look for that next opportunity.
And what about technological innovation? We've seen how that helped the oil and gas industry. Do you think we'll see that spill over into mining, and could that help?
I think so. I think particularly in junior mining, I think we're seeing a lot of guys work towards using technological innovation to help them explore. Obviously the use of AI, different new geophysical techniques, and a lot more data compilation and computer modeling than we've ever seen before. And I think that is what is going to help the junior mining sector really change and reduce the amount of capital they need to actually make those discoveries and move ahead.
Any thoughts on the base metals?
There's probably a long conversation about China and the ongoing trade war there. I think it's an interim thing. I think the U.S. dollar strength is what has been the impact. And I think that as there's visibility on the trade between China and the U.S. being resolved, I think that'll resolve itself. I think we're at a bit of a temporary blip.
Derek Macpherson, thank you so much for your thoughts.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching. We'll have more for you on Kitco.com.